With my Sony a7C and the 35mm lens, I have a very small, compact and lightweight camera setup and overall footprint. So I went out the other day and picked the most crowded place I know. I headed downtown to the most famous walking street in Copenhagen, called Strøget. I did that because there are always people here and it's easy to blend in with the crowd and be a bit discreet. I don't think with my current setup I'm very noticeable, and my GoPro is hidden underneath my jacket. Also in a busy scene there's a good opportunity to catch something or someone interesting. I normally shoot in manual mode, but after 5 minutes I decided to switch to aperture mode. This is just easier for this type of photography, and I'm walking a bit faster down the street and I don't want to miss a shot by playing with the settings. Also, it's a bit of a hassle. I did keep an eye on the settings from time to time, as the camera is not always on point. The aperture mode settings are dialed in. I kept my aperture to 2.8 and the ISO to 125. It's overcast today and the camera is underexposing the shots. The shutter speed is determined by the camera, which is why this mode is great for fast-paced photography. As I was walking down the street, I saw this really interesting spot and I decided to take a shot, also as a test shot. As I was walking down the street, I saw this man standing at a corner and another man appeared from the side street yawning. This is why I love street photography and candid photos. A little bit further up ahead, I saw this man talking really loudly on the phone. As I got closer, I saw that he was really large and he had a really small dog. That made a nice candid photo as well. Because I was shooting in aperture priority and I had my camera ready, I was able to take that photo without being noticed. If you notice, I'm holding the camera much closer to my body and in a position where I'm ready to take a shot when I saw something interesting. Normally my camera is hanging off to the side until I need it. Maybe that's why I miss shots from time to time. If the A7C had a better EVF, I would have used it, but for now I'm using the small LCD. I'm used to it, so it's no big deal. The viewfinder and EVF is ideal though. Because this is a busy scene, I can easily blend in. I actually stood here for a few minutes and I also saw Lionel Messi in the background and this guy with a trolley pacing around. So I thought to myself, why not try to capture different angles and perspectives? I stood here for quite a long time and I was also trying to see if I could observe something interesting. It really didn't pan out because the scene was so busy. I had to give up because there were so many people coming in and out of the shot that it was very hard to get something decent. The photo that I got, I'm actually really happy with. At this point, I'm really enjoying taking photos and I made a few interesting photos that I wouldn't have made because first of all, it's a bit wider focal length than I'm used to, and also I saw things differently with this lens. I noticed random things happening as I was walking by and also took time to slow down and observe as the scene was really busy. I was standing at this spot looking for something interesting to go with the red stop sign, and this couple came by where the man had the red hat on, a perfect match to make something very different and candid. Try to look for interesting details when out on the streets doing candid street photography. Especially look for colors that match or patterns. That really makes an interesting and different candid type of photo. It's not my style to chase people like this, but this photo is just great. Notice how close I am to the ladies in the front. I'm actually following them for quite a while, taking photos. I would normally never do this because I feel like this is actually invading their private space. What makes this photo interesting is the storytelling and layering. There's obviously a crew standing around waiting for somebody and getting ready. And also there are people watching the crew getting ready. And also the guy with the crane just looks awesome. A little bit further to the left there was a photo shoot going on. And at first glance it doesn't look like much, but if you have the context with the courthouse and the crew waiting, I'm definitely thinking this is connected. Maybe this is a lawyer getting a photo taken. The 35mm has been surprisingly fun to take out to do street photography. I mentioned in my talking head from last week that it was a forgotten focal length for me, but now I will definitely go out more and do candid street photography with it. Alright, take care, see you in the next one.